I'm headed to Disneyland today, and guess what? I'm taking a helicopter. Tourists and locals often flock to the waterfront along the Huangpu River to get the best view of Shanghai's iconic skyline. But now there's a new way to get a look at Lujiazui and the Bund. This Bell 429 helicopter will take us on a nighttime journey over the Bund and Lujiazui. Let's go. The pilot said I'm lucky, as air quality tonight is great, which means we'll be getting perfect visibility for our flight. So before we take off, there's a bit of homework to do. Filling out information forms and reading through the safety instructions is all part of the experience. Once we're in the air, we'll be wearing a set of noise-reducing headset that allows for a direct line of communication with the pilot. The flight base is only 4 kilometers away from the Shanghai Disneyland Resort. If you are lucky, you might be able to see the fireworks show. The 15-minute journey gets to the Huangpu River and Nanpu Bridge, then follows the center line of the river, passing through the dazzling lights of the Bund waterfront and the Lujiazui business district. I've seen all of these buildings before, but never from this perspective. The Oriental Pro TV tower is just so close to me. I feel like a little bird flying past Lujiazui's big 3 landmarks. Tickets are priced at 2,980 yuan per person, and the maximum capacity of the helicopter is 6 passengers. And we are now turning back near the Qinhuangdao cruise terminal. Our pilot is now slowing down so that passengers have more time to take in the views of the city on both sides of the river. That was quite the experience. We spent more than 6 minutes about 300 meters above the Huangpu River. It was a real treat for the eyes. The stability and noise levels are quite manageable. It's only during those hairpin turns that some people may get a little queasy.
贝尔429双发直升机，它是有2台发动机，它有气象雷达、自动驾驶等一系列的安全装备，所以安全上不用担心。黄浦江这条航线，灯光是比较明亮的，所以和白天没有特别明显的区别。我们从南浦大桥开始，一直是沿着黄浦江中心线飞行，然后不进入居民区，飞行高度是300米以上，对我们下面的居民基本上不受影响。
In August of 2024, a commercial flight service connecting the Kunshan City Terminal in Jiangsu Province with Shanghai Pudong International Airport opened for business. From gate to gate, the trip takes less than 1 hour, saving more than half of what it takes by car in good traffic. 1 month later, trial flights began for a service connecting Pudong to Jingshan District, and then on to Haining in Zhejiang Province. The Shanghai government unveiled its low-altitude development action plan in July of this year, with an aim of creating inter-provincial low-altitude aviation hubs in the Yangtze River Delta. The Civil Aviation Administration of China says activity in low-altitude airspace, typically limited to under 1,000 meters, but can be extended up to 3,000 meters, was valued at around 500 billion yuan as of the end of 2023, and is expected to grow to 2 trillion yuan by 2030. I know many of you have seen Shanghai skyline at night, but if you get the chance, I highly recommend seeing the beauty of this city from the air. You won't regret it.